Alright guys, it's now Sunday. Thought I'd walk down here for a minute, show you the river. Next week is Bonham 2, and they're getting things set up here along the river for the events taking place starting Wednesday. I will be recording, and I will also have a very special guest with me on Wednesday. Yay! She's been in previous videos. She was teaching here in Siem Reap. Then she took a teaching job in a small town between Siem Reap and Phnom Penh. But she'll be back for the festivities. So we're going to meet up on Wednesday, which is the opening ceremony for the boat races. Some of the boat races going on, and Thursday will be the finals, and also the lantern ceremony. It should be pretty awesome. Really looking forward to it. As you can see, they got the signs going up. They got, well, I'll get up here and show you. That means I've only got 2 days of work next week, Monday and Tuesday, and then 5 days off. I'm the kind of guy that gets 5 days off, and I get excited because, oh, I got 5 days off. Then after like the third day, I'm just like, I'm so bored. Not bored like walking around or anything, but just when you're used to getting up at a certain time and you have things to do, then you have like nothing. It's just, oh man, almost can't wait to go back to work. But you can tell they got little, I'm assuming, I'm thinking anyway, I don't know for sure with that. These are going to be for the food stalls. That's what it appears. One set up right there. I don't know. Looks like a, what is that, a cell phone place? I don't know. Something with lots of lights though. Something with lots of lights. I'm not sure. I don't feel like walking across the street to find out. I'll be here next week. I'll find out then. Yeah. Looking good, getting all set up. As always, some advertising in place for different places. Help support the festival. This one's new also from yesterday. Pretty cool. Looks good. And over there, let me show you over here. I think, and again, I don't know because this is my first one, but I think that area over there is for VIPs and dignitaries to sit and enjoy the boat races as they come by. I believe. I don't think that's open to the public. Like I said, I don't know for sure. We will all find out together next week, but this is what I'm assuming. Yeah. I took a picture of this sign before they lit it up. We walked by last night after coming back from downtown, and looks really nice at night. But my camera doesn't take good night pictures. I tried to take a picture in a short video, but it was all grainy and blurry. It didn't show up that well. So it's weird that they keep that on during the day, though. You'd think they'd want to shut it off. Yeah, pretty nice day out today. Last night was just about relaxing, having fun. We went down to the Beatnik bar again. We only had a couple beers though. Well, I had a couple beers. She had a second. I had a couple drinks of something else. I don't know what. But yeah, just had a couple. Then we stopped, got something to eat to take back to the apartment. On the way back, I stopped, bought a few more beers. Then after she ate, she was tired and went to sleep, so I just plugged in my headphones, had a few beers, rocked out to some music for a few hours. Always relaxing to me. Somebody had a question about receiving and sending mail from Siem Reap. I have not sent any mail since I've been here. I have not received or been sent any mail since I've been here. But I did ask around, and I'll give you the answers I was told from people more knowledgeable than myself in that regard. When you get here, you can go to the post office. Post office is actually right over there, right across the river on the other side. There's the post office, centrally located. You can go in there and request a post office box. This will be of course, your own post office box, your own little address where you can send and receive mail from. But the problem is that the majority of the time you will not get one because they are already all gone. That seems to be an issue. They only have so many. The expat community is growing, and they haven't added any in a while. So chances are you won't get one, but you can go in there and try. You never know. You might hit the jackpot that day. 2 people might have left and closed theirs right before you walked in. You never know. And then you can grab one. But without a post office box, there's an address down below in the description. That is the address to the post office. You can receive mail by having it sent directly to the post office. A couple things to make sure of though when you do that. Number 1, your name is very clearly written. Who's ever sending it, be sure to tell them, make sure your name is very clearly written in large letters. And second, you are going to need a phone number. You will tell them if they are sending you a package to write your phone number, again, very clearly, right on the front of the envelope. It's very important because when the post office receives your package, they will call you and let you know you have it. However, most of the time, from what I've been told, they will only call you once and let you know that you have it. If you don't answer your phone, if you don't, something happens, they can't get a hold of you, chances are they will not try again. So if you do happen to miss a call and you realize, oh, it's from the post office, head on down. When you get there, show them your ID, your passport, and let them know that you had a package come in, and they should be able to take care of that for you. So the address, like I said, will be down below. Write it down. Or if you forget it, it's no problem. You can always find it on Google. It's available. I didn't know that was possible because, like I said, I've never tried using the mail system, but so that was pretty easy, eh? Ooh. All right, let me turn this off. I do have a couple more caveats to that. Okay. Sounds like they got some music playing here. The other caveats I have to that are simple. If you're going to be sending big packages, if somebody is going to be sending you big packages like expensive things, electronics, anything over a certain dollar amount or weight is going to be charged an import tax, an import fee. I'm not sure what the limit is on those, like weight-wise or dollar-wise. But if somebody's going to be sending you expensive electronics or really, really heavy things that weigh a lot, you can expect to pay a sum on the import fees. That is why electronics and some things imported are so expensive here compared to the West, because of the import fees that the companies have to pay. Also, it will probably cost you a little bit more, because if you're going to be sending really expensive things, you want to use a trusted courier. You don't just want to have them drop it off at the post office and say send it to Siem Reap. No, use there's one called DHL, which is very popular here, and from the things I read, they're very reliable and dependable. But again, they are going to charge you more for that. It will cost you money. But on the other hand, you will have a tracking number, and you will know exactly when it gets to its destination, just in case the post office doesn't call you for some reason. And in regards to the small packages and letters, there is one more thing you should know. And that is, I've heard horror stories from people who just haven't gotten their packages or letters, the small ones, for some reason, or they've sent letters and the person they sent them to have never been received. Where they are, I don't know, but it's kind of an iffy mail service here. So unless you're using a courier service with a tracking number, I would not be having people send me anything expensive or very important without that. And it will cost you, like I said, more money to do that. But if it's really important, that would probably be the way to go. But just for regular letters and stuff, it should be okay. And like everything else here, it's improving. Things are getting better. So I wouldn't really worry too much or fret over whether you're going to get your packages. Should be fine. But there's always a possibility it won't be, so keep that in mind. All right, that is it for the post office. Like I said, the address will be down below in the description. And I'll talk to you guys later.